We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox Vault to securely store your sensitive files. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Dropbox on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click on the option labeled Vault. If it's your first time using Vault, you'll need to set it up. Click on Get Started, and you'll be prompted to create a PIN. This PIN will be used to access your Vault, so make sure it's something secure yet memorable. After setting your PIN, you can start adding files. Click on Add Files, and you'll have the option to upload files directly from your computer or move existing files from your Dropbox into the Vault. Simply select the files you want to protect and click Add. If you need to view or manage files in your Vault, just click on the Vault option in the sidebar, enter your PIN, and you'll have access to your secured files. Remember, the Vault is designed for sensitive information, so keep your PIN confidential. If you ever need to change your PIN, you can easily do so by going into your account settings and navigating to the Vault section where you'll find the option to update your PIN. Using Dropbox Vault is a great way to ensure that your most important files are protected with an extra layer of security. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.